So today we're going to be going over how to make a search campaign super quickly. So first, head over to my website, get the prompt, and pull up your favorite chatbot. I like Gemini. Even the free tier you see here is pretty powerful, but in theory this should work or be workable with any chatbot agent. So you plug in the prompt, and what you see here is a user section and an AI section. So just leave the AI section as is, and then fill out the user section with your client details. Right here I have a fake client. It's just kind of a made-up coffee client. So I'm going to plug in some URLs and some verbiage and use that to kind of brief, quote unquote, the AI. So here we have the response. I'm going to see what it has. It has the campaign, so campaign, ad group, and ads. So what you're going to want to do is paste that in on the RSA level. If you paste it in on the ad level, it won't paste in the ad groups as well as the ads. So go to the lowest level and hit import or multiple changes, and you import and make sure you have the correct destination setting selected. If it doesn't work right the first time, go back and select another setting. Editor can be finicky sometimes depending on which kind of asset you're working with. So there's a learning curve, but I really recommend getting familiar with Editor if you're not already, because it's going to make this workflow incredibly efficient. As you can see here, we have some errors. First, we had to import the campaign name, and then we had to adjust the description character count. So currently the descriptions are too long. So what we're going to do is paste it in the validator sheet, so just so we have a more comprehensive view of what we're looking at. And this validator sheet is for sale on my website if you are interested, although it is not that hard to make your own with a little bit of work. So we are just kind of doing some trial and error here with the prompts, as is expected. When you're starting out in a fresh chat, there's zero context to what you're doing. So even if the prompt is pretty comprehensive, you're probably going to run into 1 to 3 errors at least to begin with, and then after that it should be pretty smooth sailing, at least depending on how consistent your workflow is. So right now we have basically tricked it into thinking that the character count is 10 characters shorter than it should be. So now it is working, because it was over counting or under counting by maybe 1 or 2 characters. So now we have a full search campaign import, campaign level, ad group level, and responsive ad level, all with ad copy and everything. And next, what you're going to want to probably do is import some keywords and a geo target if you don't have those on hand already in an importable format. So if you want to learn how to do that, I have videos on that as well. See you in the next one. Thank you. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this far. Comment below with any ideas for future videos. And whether you have any questions about the video or looking for Google Ads consulting, feel free to contact me via my website, adsbysam.com. There you can find free prompts as well as any premium prompts, as well as the validator sheet. My goal with this channel is to find ways to save time working in Google Ads and to share that knowledge. So if you can appreciate what I'm trying to do here and interested in more, please subscribe and leave a comment. It's the best way to support me and get more content just like this. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.